Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. I am Raji Ramakrishnan. I am glad to inform you that my channel has got 5000 plus subscribers. I thank each one of you for supporting me. And let's see what I am going to prepare today. I am going to make a sambar powder. For that I have taken 1 cup of coriander seeds, half cup chana dal, quarter cup Tuvar dal, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon Methi seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 sprigs of curry leaves is required. I have got only 1, so I have taken only 1, and 15 red chilli. If you want to add red chilli powder, you can add half cup of red chilli powder in it instead of the red chilli. We have to dry roast all these items, and the chilli with 1 teaspoon of oil you have to roast it finally. You can add the hing powder at the time of preparing tadka for the sambar. Hence I have not added to the sambar powder. Similarly, I have not added turmeric powder also. That also we are putting it in the sambar. And 2 teaspoon of Urid dal and 1 teaspoon of rice also you can add, dry roast it and add it to the sambar powder. These are the thickening agents. It will thicken the sambar when you make sambar with sambar powder. There is another way of making sambar, arachivutta sambar, that is masala we grind and add to the sambar. That recipe I have already uploaded. I'll give the link in the description box, you can see that. Now let us dry roast all these items. The kadai is hot, and I have added the coriander seeds in it. The village recipe, if you see, what they do is they sun dry all these items and give it in the market for grinding the same in the machine. That way also you can do it. This is hot now, enough. Nice smell comes out of it. So now that time we will remove this onto a plate. Now we will add the chana dal. We have to dry roast them separately because each one has got different temperature. Chana dal will take little time. Tuvar dal will not take. Similarly, cumin seeds and mustard seeds, black pepper and methi seeds will not take much time. So that's why we are roasting it separately. This is roasted well. Now I am removing this also. Now I will put the Tuvar dal in it. The Tuvar dal is also done. We'll transfer this onto the plate. Now I am putting the mustard seeds. starts spluttering, you can remove this. Now we'll add the methi seeds. Do not burn the methi seeds. The color has changed and a nice aroma is also coming out of the methi seeds. Now we'll shift this also onto the plate. Now the black pepper. Roast it for a minute. Remove it. Cumin seeds. Just few seconds only. Curry leaves. Till it is crispy, you have to roast it. Curry leaves are good for health, so whenever possible I always put it in the gravy while grinding the masala, or whenever I make any powder I always try to add it in the masala. Now this is also crisp, so I have removed that. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of oil in this. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I will put the red chilli in it. While roasting the red chilli, do not remove the stem. The seeds will come out of it and the seeds will get burnt and the taste will differ. So always keep the stem and roast it. Roast for a few minutes and switch off the gas and let it remain in the kadai itself. In that heat it will get crispy. Some people while grinding they do not remove the stem of the chili. It is good for stomach. That's what my sister-in-law used to say. So I also do not remove the stem. Grind it along with the chili. Spice according to your requirement, you can add the red chili. I have taken Kashmiri chili. If you are using the spicy chili, take it according to your requirement. In case if the hotness of the chili is not much, you can always add chili powder while tempering or with the Sambhar masala while adding to the sambar. While grinding the sambar masala, first you put the chili and grind it. Make it to a powder, then you add other ingredients and grind the masala. Now I am switching off the gas. In the heat itself, this will become crispy. I am going to leave it as it is till it cools down and become crispy. The sambar powder is ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Press the all button and bell icon so that you will get the recipes which I am uploading. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.